put your hands up. If you're a queen, a king, put your hands up. Cause your girl is back with another wig review. So I'm back with another wig review. Okay, and I know y'all miss my baby. Say hi, mamas. Say hi, stand up. Girl, she being lazy. Oh, she's being lazy, y'all. She ain't even standing up. Stand up, mamas. Say hi. Hi, boo. Say hi, boo.
Hi, Dee.
Hi, boo. Say, look at the camera. You have to talk to them. Say hi, boo. Hi, girl. Say hi, girl.
Hi, girl.
Say bye, girl.
Bye.
Bye. I know y'all miss my baby. This beauty. Y'all see something blinging? I see the hot light blinging.
No.
But, all right. So I'm just gonna go put her down so that I can get into this. Shh. So I can I gotta put her down. So excited. I'm about to show y'all easy, fast install video. And this hair color is bomb. So I'm so excited to show y'all this. 1 second. So today I'm gonna be reviewing a wig from a hair company called Hot Beauty Hair. I have reviewed a hair from them before. Let me insert a picture right there. This is the hair that I reviewed. Actually, I reviewed two wigs from them. So that one that I showed y'all and this one, the bob highlighted one, that one was super pretty. Both of them are super pretty, but this one I'm super excited. This one is a lace frontal wig. Comes in a little baggie like this. Hot Beauty Hair. And also, by the way, this bonnet is from a company called Pure Minx. One of my favorite black-owned companies. And they give a little scarf, Hot Beauty Hair scarf, and a bag. Let's see what's inside this bag. Give wig caps, but I already have a wig cap on my head, so this is what's underneath it. Shabang shaboom. This I put makeup on the wig cap, and y'all hear her talking, but I put makeup on the wig cap, and I didn't do the meltdown method because that takes time, because remember I'm trying to do a fast install video. So this is what it looks like. Ain't this mad pretty? Look at this color. Dang, I got this net all stuck to my hand. Information will be in the description box below. The link to the hair and my coupon code. My coupon code is right here too, and it'll also be in the description box. But isn't this color so pretty? Look at this. Look at it. So this is a frontal wig. This is how it looks. So you probably can see like some makeup on the lace, because I didn't bleach it. I feel like it didn't really need to be bleached. And anyways, this is like supposed to be a fast method and something easy and simple for my beginners. So I didn't want to do bleach it, but it really didn't need bleaching anyways, to be honest. So you can just use you can just use a makeup powder that matches your skin tone. I prefer powders. Never use foundations, because foundations it's like liquid and oily, and that will cause your lace to lift. So I recommend always use a powder. That's just like what experience I recommend powder. But yeah, so I just put some like wig knot healer, and you can use a wig knot healer, or you can use a foundation powder. Like I said, both of those are really good. But this is how it looks on the inside. Y'all see her talking. Ooh, this looks mad pretty, y'all. Y'all, tell me this don't look pretty. This color is like gorgeous. And like the thing about it, like let me just get into the review real quick before I like finish installing it. Like the color is like perfect. Like nothing looks like different colors. Like everything is just colored perfect. Everything is colored perfectly. I'm about to brush it and I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see the bag and y'all can see how it looks. And I am getting like some shedding, like just a little shedding in the brush. But like I always, like shedding is, she's telling me to shh, you shh. Shedding is normal anyways. It's not a lot of shedding. Let me see if y'all can see. Stop telling me to shush, mamas. Shh. Shedding is normal. So a lot of shedding is not normal. When you shed like a dog, it's not normal. I guess she's saying like, girl, shut up, you talking too much. Maybe I'm talking too. Shh. 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 So I'm gonna be using the Ghost Bond lace glue. At first I wasn't gonna use it. I was just gonna like use something else, but this is still like fast and simple because this dries super fast. So this is still like an easy way. So I'm just gonna, y'all gonna see how I install this. I'm not gonna do too much talking. I'm gonna be quiet because y'all know I like to talk. I be talking too much. But let me just say another thing. I'm gonna be using this. This is just a like eyebrow razor. I like to use the back of it just to smooth it out and spread it out. It helps it dry faster and just make sure that everything is distributed evenly. So, all right, let's get into it. And one more thing, y'all. Also, before I put the glue, before I put the glue, I always clean the area that I'm gonna apply the glue with alcohol. Make sure I'm cleaning all the oils. So make sure you always clean that area with alcohol just to take all the oils out so that the lace can last longer.
Hi guys, I'm Kayla. I'm Queen K, Hollywood's biggest fan. Look at her hair, it's so beautiful, right? Her wig is so beautiful.
This is my hair. All right, so now I got the hot comb on. So after I put the glue, now this hot comb is going to melt the lace. So this is gonna help everything come together and melt and, you know, get the shebang shaboom. So now that I cut the lace, when you cut the lace, you guys see it needs some plucking, but like this color is just bomb. Like I'm just feeling myself. I'm feeling like, I don't know, Beyonce or something. I don't know. What color is this giving?
Hi, Mama.
Hi, mamas. So I'm just gonna be using the Fenty Beauty Caramel Cutie just for the hairline. And I'm gonna show y'all, I'm just gonna be like plucking a little and I'm gonna show y'all how I do the baby hairs. I've been doing natural baby hairs, so hi mamas, I do natural baby hairs. So y'all gonna see how I do natural baby hair, something simple, not something extreme, just something simple. Hi mamas, hi, something simple and cute. Y'all hear her voice is cute. But I'll be right back. Let me just get something. Hold on. So I'm finally done. This is how it looks. Like, I'm really happy about the way it looks. Like, it was actually like super fast and simple and easy to install. I'm in love. Like, this color looks so pretty. And like, I did real simple baby hairs. I didn't do baby hairs throughout the whole hairline. I just did baby hairs right here in the front, because this is what I'm gonna show. This is how like I keep my hair anyways, just like this. Unless I decide to do a side part, but I am liking the I mean, not a side part, a middle part, but I am liking the side part. But like, I'm just in love. Like, for one, this hair was super easy to install. Like I said, this was a fast, easy, simple install. Like, y'all see how fast it was. Like, this video, it's not that long. Like, trust me, it probably took me about 30 minutes. Yeah, 30 minutes to like install this. Like, it was like really fast and simple, and it like looks really good. Like, it doesn't look like it took me 30 minutes. Like, it looks like, you know, I really took my time. But y'all see, all I had to do is put makeup on the lace, then, you know, put the glue. It probably took like less than 5 minutes for the glue to dry. I only did one layer. I didn't do 2 layers this time because I am gonna be taking it off soon. So I just did 1 layer, let it dry, sticked it on, used the hot comb, you know, used the wax stick and everything. Like, it was just super fast and simple. The quality feels really good. It does feel like super soft. I love the color. Like I said in the beginning of the video, like the color, like, it doesn't, the color's not all over the place. It does, like, everything comes together and goes together and looks bomb. Matter of fact, this color look good with the shirts. Ooh, sis, I'm just feeling the color. But that's all I could say. It did shed, of course, but not a lot of shedding, and then it shed when I did some plucking. But it was just super easy to install. This hair was like super easy to install. But yeah, so that's the end of the video, and don't forget to use my coupon code. But one more thing, I'm still in the contest. If you haven't watched my other videos, I'm in a competition called Miss Jet Set, and all you have to do to support me and help me is you just have to vote for me, and you can pay $2 like to vote, or you can pay more. You can put as much as you want, and if you have Facebook, you can do a free vote. So I really appreciate if you guys can vote for me, and thanks to anyone and to everyone that does vote for me. But yeah, that's all you have to do. If you have Facebook, it's free. If not, you can just like pay $2 just to vote for me, and that money goes to cancer, people with cancer. Yeah, but thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to buy this hair, because this hair is bomb. I'm not even gonna hold you, because y'all know I'm not gonna hold you. Y'all know if you watch other wig reviews on my channel, y'all know I keep it all the way real. Like even if the company don't like it or not, I will keep it real with the hair, because I wouldn't want nobody to play with my money. Like, if the wig is trash, tell me it's trash, okay? So I don't waste my money. If the wig is good, tell me it's good so I can, you know, get it. But I don't play about that on my channel. But for real, this hair is good. I just love the color, okay? I'm just feeling like, I don't know what I'm feeling like. I was gonna say Sierra, but the other hair I said Sierra vibes. I don't know what vibes this is giving, but yeah, thank y'all for watching. Bye. Love y'all.